In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Telegram in Windows 11. I'm going to install Telegram live on video and show you everything you need to know. So first, you want to open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here and I'm on Google. I recommend you go to Google and then just do a search here for Telegram. Now, once you've done that, you'll see Telegram Messenger. You can go ahead and click on that and it will take you to the Telegram homepage. From here, we can scroll down and you'll see Telegram for Android, iPhone, and also PC. So go ahead and click Telegram for PC and Linux, then click Get Telegram for Windows 64. That will then download the installation wizard. Once that has downloaded, it will be an exe file. You can just open it. And once you've got it opened, this installer will open. Here, choose your language and choose where you want to install Telegram. If you click on browse, you can choose a different location. I'm just going to run with the default one. We can then click next. Then Telegram is going to create a shortcut in the start menu. If you don't want a start menu shortcut, you can click this and it won't do it. I'm just going to leave it on default though, and I'm going to click next, and we're going to uncheck create a desktop shortcut. I don't need that. So once you've checked those settings, click install, and then Telegram will then install. From here, we can click finish and it will then open up Telegram, or we can click start messaging, and you can either scan from your mobile device and log into an existing account, or if you just want to log in with your phone number, you can do that as well. I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Telegram app on my phone, and you can't see this, but you just want to go to your settings, then you'll see devices, and it will be very simple. You can then just scan this QR code and there you go. It's going to then log you in. I don't have any contacts or anything on this account, but that's how you would do it. I hope that did help you out.